live stream.
The content of the meeting is being shared to third party.
Yeah, setting the meeting,
Yeah.
done redirecting to YouTube now.
Meeting now, stream live now, YouTube. Yeah.
See,
We
now
are
it's
we
live.
are in live.
Yeah, we are in live. So I will do two. So you can get these recordings as well, right?
Yeah, yeah. Let's see what's you're doing. So I go to YouTube and check out what we are doing. 1 second. Uh, yes.
So
Uh,
I will do two. So you can get these recordings
yeah,
as well.
we are in live. I just checked out. Yeah.
All right, all right. So I will not check this part. Okay. Let me see chat. I can take it. About chat. Yes, we can take it. That too.
Oh, live chat.
So anyone do this?
Yeah.
Can interact with me
Like
as well.
yes.
Yes,
Just I put a high in that for starting engaging.
yes, at
Yeah.
least. So from today onwards,
Yeah.
we'll do something great. Summaries also you will get it.
Yeah.
Something. Just give me a second. I'm just exploring.
Okay.
Uh, we did some live stream as well.
Okay.
So, yeah, now onwards you don't have to wait for me to upload now.
Yes, really. I know if the video is long also I know the where we are talking I can understand and I can skip the video and watch it.
So what I felt is, Rakesh, like now onwards the people are like wanted to watch in live, right?
Yeah.
So they get more trust about that,
Yes, yes.
right? So I need to talk about certain little bit new things today.
Okay.
So that is very important as a student, as a working professional, as a whatever it is.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
just give me a second. I note it down somewhere. Yeah. So this is what I need to talk about. Just give me a second. I will just share my screen and
Okay.
give me. I just give you the couple of things that you need to think about. All right.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So you can see my screen.
Yes.
Why is like this? I wanted. Just give me a second. I wanted
Okay, good.
my phone.
Wait a second, Raakesh. Akash, is there any sound from my side?
No, 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 nothing, nothing. From my side, it is there is some, yeah. Uh, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is a whiteboard. Okay.
Okay.
Which whiteboard classic? Yeah. Now it's fine, right? It's great, right now.
Uh, yeah, it's visible right now.
Yeah, yeah, visible, right?
Yes.
So I will take text here to explain you some little something. Okay.
Okay.
You have to observe, right? Whenever you start your day, you do your daily chores, right?
Okay.
Then you have to observe these things in whole entire day. You need to observe this particular three things.
Okay.
When your energy is energy is high, okay, energy is high, medium, and low, okay.
Okay.
Particular categories you need to think about. Why I'm saying this? Then you can plan your work, what you can do for, right? Which
Yeah.
kind of a couple of tasks you can do at high energy, which couple of tasks you can do for medium kind of a things, right?
Right. Right. Right.
And which kind of a things you can do for low end kind of a tasks.
Yeah.
So, so when I'm telling this, so we need to understand three things that comes into the play, right?
Okay.
One is work. I have came up with this work, rest, then play. This three terminologies I came up with. So
Yeah.
work, rest, and play time. So when you are in low time, you can play something. So like let's say you can play a football. You can let's say you are interested, fond of playing a guitar or something. Something
Yeah.
apart from the work basically, right?
Okay.
You are fond of something doing, but you are not doing that. So you have to do that basically,
Okay.
right?
Right.
So after that, what you can do is you have to plan your day priorly, right?
Yeah.
At this time, what I will be going to do. At this time, what I will be going to do in this 1 week. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I will let me share my screen. Okay. This is what the three things you need to keep in mind. Take a screenshot of it so you
Okay.
will not forget, right? This thing you
Sure.
need to understand first of all.
Yes.
Got it?
Yeah. Wait a second. Yeah. That.
Done, right?
Yeah.
So let me stop sharing this. So let me give you, uh, let me give you, yeah, just give me a second. I
Yeah.
will share my screen. You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
no one is, no one is chatting. So we'll keep it apart. We'll keep it here as well, right?
Right.
And we'll keep it. Okay. So I have one thing here. Like I'm learning something new apart from this to understand our mind, basically.
Okay.
Okay. Apart from this, basically. So this is what I wanted to share with you as well. So you
Okay.
follow the same. So after you finalize, right, when your energy is high, energy is low, right?
Yeah.
You you will try to block your time here, right? When is
Okay.
the energy is high, when is the energy is low, something like that. All right.
Yeah.
Are you getting?
Yes, I'm getting.
So here you have to understand about one concept of triangle of daily fulfillment, like uh, like which highlights like balancing your work, rest and play for productive life, right?
Yeah.
When you are high energy, you can work high kind of tasks. Rest when low. play when moderate energy you have basically. Like you can play something, or you can read some books, something like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to allocate 60% of time to work, 25% to play, and 15% to rest.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for to have like healthy and fulfillment routine, basically, these three things I just found it out. So
Okay.
in the week, you need to plan, right? You have to block your time. Let's say 5 p.m., 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. This is what I am doing,
Yeah.
something like this. Okay. So you can
Okay.
download this template, okay, anywhere. You
Okay.
just Google it, time blocking sheet in
Okay.
Google, so you will get it. So it's
Okay.
just a general thing which I to show you what will happen, what are the things that we have to keep in mind. Okay,
Okay.
all right. So this was
Got
the
it.
thing that I wanted to share with you, this particular part. Uh,
Okay.
just give me a second. We'll discuss what we'll be gonna talk about today.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like I planned early itself. I don't know yesterday we can connect or not. I was not sure.
Okay.
Because I had another like 2 days on Saturday, Sundays.
Oh, okay.
I had some another meeting to create a custom GPTs,
Okay. That's great.
creating custom GPTs. So I was exploring about how this action automation kind of a thing will work.
Okay. Yeah.
In GPTs, there are things, right?
Yeah.
So I was exploring that. Second. By meantime, you just share your screen and what you did. Like I wanted to ask you things.
Okay. For I got with one presentation actually.
Yeah, yeah. Before get started, uh, hi Rakesh, I am Akash here, and I'm really excited about this particular session, right? So we before we jump in, how you are feeling right now?
I'm feeling great. Like past few weeks onwards, we are having this session. Like we are talking more about our career. What do we plan? I'm feeling great, man. Like um I'm exploring the new kind of way of learning in the this in this industry, like what I am targeting to get the job role. So it's a really great time we are having here.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, great to hear that, Rakesh. So you know this sessions works best when this when we both understand what we are working towards, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So I'm curious, what is the main thing that you are hoping to get out of your time together today?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is the best time is getting out of your time?
Um, like my working time, are you asking?
Like I'm asking about like career development, communication skills, etc. Like what are the things that you do out of the time? You get it.
Uh, yeah, yeah. Like how I can I'm improving on my communication skills, and I'm doing some another activities I'm doing like storytelling to improve my communication skills properly. When I'm speaking, I don't want to use and distant turns in that words, so I'm practicing on that. I'm right in the morning. I'm practicing the affirmations,
Mhm.
and I'm doing the self introduction and preparing some presentations that helps in storytelling. Because of that only, I started learning storytelling, how to do storytellings, and keep some stories to engage with audiences. So I'm practicing the tonality of the storytelling. So that's in that case only I can present a good presentation for our session. I'm practicing storytelling like that.
That's really helpful to know. Like I have structure today's session basically to help you
Okay.
develop exactly those kind of a skills. Let me share what we will be going to cover.
Yeah.
Uh, so first of all, what we'll be going to do in today's session is we are going to work several key professional skills that will help you the real world situations. Okay.
Okay.
We
Yeah.
will start by looking at your progress on assigned tasks, right?
Okay.
What you have done. Then we'll move on to the some hands-on practice with presentations and recruitment scenarios, basically, right? I
Okay.
play the role of recruiter. You after that you play uh, the role of candidate. Then we will swap the role. So I
Yeah.
will
Sure.
play the role of candidate. You will play the role of recruiter, right?
Yeah. Got it.
So I will also show the some powerful the storytelling techniques using some book basically, right? So as our example, so how does that sound?
Yeah. It sounds great. I will excited to do it.
So let's start with the tasks you have been working on. Could you
Yeah.
walk me through what you have accomplished the tasks since our last session?
Like I'm documenting my work. I want to share it to you.
Yeah, yeah. Share the screen.
It's showing the host disable the participant screen sharing.
Okay, just give me a second. I will
Uh,
add. You can now share the screen.
yeah.
Are you able to do it? Or
Yes. Yes.
yeah,
Uh,
great. I'm able to see it.
yes. I want to
Are
open
you from
Notion.
Social Forest?
Actually, previously I have, but it's now actually the pack is expired.
Okay,
But I'm not.
it's
I
nice.
taken like one month pack, but I'm not used it. Recently, I used it like okay, Gamma also it's there in that, so I used it Gamma from that.
So they are giving the subscription is nice actually. Like
Yeah, yeah,
for a month, to in order to pay the subscription amount, they give the shared access and lot of things is there. Okay.
yeah,
So
yeah. Really, it's great,
that's a
but
part.
uh,
So
yeah,
let's get started with your uh, assigned task basically.
yeah. So I'm been documenting this one when I started learning
I'm not able to see that screen. I'm able to see only this uh, browser one.
Okay.
You have not shared the whole screen, I guess.
Okay. I will stop sharing and get
Yeah,
get shared again.
yeah,
Um, uh, no.
yeah. Now I am able to see. Yeah.
This,
So
yeah.
yeah.
So these are the I want to start. To, wait a second. I arrange all this. Yeah, because I don't want to use it.
Yeah. Which one you have created? This one is what? Data analysis
Uh,
in Excel.
yeah. So for introduction, what is what I taken
Okay, okay,
topic. These are the topics what
okay,
I planning to learn. So I'm in this. This introduction part is completed and Excel spreadsheet with formulas. Right now I'm doing it.
okay,
In that, how I've taken this topic for like a YouTube video. We have like playlist like each topic. No, like that only. I documented my work.
okay, okay.
Again, we have like how to. Are you able to see? Can I zoom a little more? Now
Yeah,
it's
yeah. I'm
okay.
able to see. I'm able to see.
Yeah. In that we have topics.
Yeah. So what
In
are the
topics
topics?
again, topics are how to calculate percent
How you have
variance.
documented so much?
I want to share the document.
No, 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 no. I will see how you have documented. Just expand that toggle
Okay, just expand it so it. Okay. Okay.
so that I can able to see, right?
Yeah. These are
So
the subtopics of the topic.
to calculate. How you will calculate? How to calculate
Percent
percentage
variance.
variance? How to
Okay,
calculate?
we use this formula
What is this?
according to
What is this?
according to the cell, which cell it is placed.
C, C1, C2, C3. C2 means this one, 511, 115.
Yeah,
C2
C
minus B
A B C. This one
divided by
C
B.
two B
So the formula we can
divided.
change, right? Let's say if I am going through C3, right?
Yeah.
C3 minus B3 divided by B3.
No, it's actually here we'll get values from this
So after
when
that
we
you
do.
expand all the things, right?
Yeah, and expand all the things.
You will get the results.
Yes.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
I just make it for myself only, so I can all understand. It's really like
So
that.
you have to make more descriptive, Rakesh,
Yeah,
that I am also telling the same thing.
yeah,
You understand now, right? Later
yeah,
on, you don't understand your own work.
yeah. Got it.
Some
I will work
descriptive.
on that.
Yeah,
I will make some changes in that.
yeah.
Yeah, and same. This is I work with how we use percent variance in Excel.
Yeah, for save everything, you have documented the same thing.
Yeah, like again we have count functions. We
Mhm.
in that we have subtopics.
Huh?
Same everything goes with up to in that subtopics we have topics on
So,
that like
count,
count,
count
what to
plan.
count. Yeah.
You are getting
So
now little bit, right?
yeah,
So,
yeah.
uh, in Python, data analysis, we were doing like is empty.
Okay.
Data
Yeah.
frame dot is empty in pandas we do, right?
Right.
Same thing we are doing this one. Count plan.
Okay. Yeah.
Is
And
there
I
any
had
values or not? Is there any
Yes.
null values or not?
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
You are getting something ideas, right?
Yes, yes. And where in before the person variance here actually in this topic I never
Okay.
highlighted anything, but compared to not highlighted anything sir, but compared to this one here I added some details as you said. I improved here like a count. What is count will do? It consider numbers at any values in there. So this is about like how many students are attempting the test.
Uh-huh.
So there are two the count function add numbers and strings both. So if there the test is fail also, it is counted as two.
Okay.
Are you getting my point, Akash?
So you are using a function count A.
Count A.
So what you are, which cell you are inserting into it, brackets, inside the function?
Uh, it's count
A,
student
student one.
student one.
So count A, what it will be going to tell?
Yeah, actually, I not mentioned clearly. It's actually if it is
No.
A,
I'm asking you, let's
uh,
say student one. Let's say if I use the function count A function, right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
inside, let's say if I select the cell of student, right? Student
yeah,
one. So
yes.
what it will be going to give me? That function, count A function.
Actually, it's go here to here. Actually, A1 is to up to history go, and
Okay, okay. So what it will be going to give me?
it's give you how many attempts you do. Exam taken by student. How many exams taken by that student? Uh,
Okay. So in order to pass that particular subject, how much exams he has appeared?
oh no, no, actually not that. There are like maths, science, English, or history. Let's say we having four exams we are having. In
Okay.
that, how many exams he attempted? So here we see he
Why it
attempted
is
English.
required? Why it is required?
It is required for like how many exams he attempted and how many
Why?
exams
Because
he's not attended.
let's say, I'm just giving you some examples now. Let's
Okay.
say there is a guy who passed that exam, right? In
Yeah.
one go, every subject. So what you
Yeah.
will be getting here? Only one as a
Yeah.
total.
I taken this one as attendance type.
One,
One
and
is
final. So
attempt
final
like
output would be the one, right?
yeah.
Okay. Let's say some guy failed in one subject. So what will be the output?
The output like a fail. It's fail. Yeah.
No, I'm not telling this one. I'm telling in a county function what the values will be getting filled up.
In content function A, specifically content function A, it's take a string also, string values also. So it is counted as one.
Understanding my question,
Yeah,
Rakesh.
yeah.
So
Please ask me.
how it is telling two, how it is telling three, how it is telling one. That is my question.
Yeah, it considering it as uh, he attempted test, but he's failed. So it considering as one, considering he's attempted
Can
the
you
test.
can you walk me through the data which you have created here?
Yes, I will. Sure.
So are you considering student one once again anywhere? Let's say he failed in any of the subjects.
Are you? My screen is. Can you see my screen, Akash?
No, your screen is like this one only. How to use
Okay.
Count A.
Actually, It's sharing not exact screen. Wait a second.
Yeah, you can stop sharing and share the
Okay.
screen.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Actually, I planned that this is only attempting test. You got the point. What I am looking here in this
So my
particular
question is,
task.
what County will do? That is my question, right?
Okay.
Come up with the use case, Rakesh. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
let's say if you have wanted to work in County in particular use case, right?
Yeah.
E-commerce. So
Yeah.
County function, how it will be useful for you,
Okay.
right? So if you are
Yeah.
learning something, right? One topic, I am not telling learn every topic. Learn one
Okay.
topic, apply it to the some use case. You will try to understand how this counter function will work. Oh,
Yeah.
how can I apply this in particular use case, right?
Right.
So tomorrow what we'll be gonna do is, today what you will do is, you don't learn anything. Whatever you have done, right? Yesterday I
Okay.
understand. Sunday was there. You were not in the mood of like recapping the things.
Yes.
So today what you do, understand your energy levels, recap everything, complete
Sure.
it up to 12 o'clock.
Okay.
After mid, like whenever come in the afternoon, you understand your energy levels is low, right? There.
Yeah.
So try to focus on communication part there, like reading
Okay.
some storytelling books, reading
Okay.
some books that help you out. Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
So now, just give me a second. So you understood like what are the tasks that we have done, right? You have done basically. So
Yes.
I'm observing that you are doing something interesting. And can you just mention some of the tasks like how you approach, and what made you to choose that particular approach only?
Or about related to task you are asking, no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Earlier, I said about recently approached on this technique on storytelling. Earlier, also I said, can I mention it again?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can just discuss about it more
Yeah,
into.
I want to elaborate clearly.
Yeah.
You given a task on a presentation every day, so I came up with a one idea like storytelling. Because I'm in the field of storytelling, also very important. So I understand that the problem I'm having. So what I did is started doing I'm watching like what I watched anime. Like I I shorted that anime into 1 minute transcript, so I can read it. While
Okay.
reading, I'm facing some issue. Like I'm not doing any expression, emotion on that, and tonality of that word. I'm particularly in that sentence of the phrase. So what I did is practicing on the storytelling, which is interested to read it out. So
So I wanted to
so
give a tip here. Okay. I
yeah,
wanted to
yeah,
give a tip. Whenever you read something, right, first you read at the loud.
yeah, sure.
Why? Because why the communication has been improved for me is, and same thing can be improved for you is, sit in a silent place, read aloud.
Okay,
Read loudly.
okay,
Means not that much shoutedly, but you should read loudly. That's it. In the room,
yeah,
it should be whatever you are speaking, it should be loud only. Then
okay,
you will learn a lot. Okay. Some words you will
okay,
get to know. Oh, you are focusing more on the words. You will
okay.
understand these are the words that I need to documenting it. Right.
Yeah,
Next time I focus upon, first I will focus how to spell that particular word. Accomplishment. some of the people will not able to do it, right?
Yeah.
Accomplishment.
Yeah.
So you break down the words basically. So that is what I wanted to say. For whatever the task you do, let's say you consider that there is some task that given to you and thrown at you. First, understand the problem, right? Let's say the presentation has given to you. So how will you break down that problem into the chunks, small problems,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
right? So
Right.
break down that into the chunks that if you break down that problem, you can divide that tasks into the subtasks, right? You
Yeah.
can divide like 11 to 11:30. I will be going to work on this simple task. Then I will be going to do this task. Then later on, I will try to build on which I don't know. I can build the projects on that, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
whatever I'm saying is, whenever you are taking a picking any topic, right? First, understand the topic, document the topic, how the examples they have told. Then
Yeah.
try to work around a use case around it. Let's say count a function you did it, right? So count
Yeah.
give me a scenario where count a function can be used in e-commerce domain, right? That you wanted to go, right?
Yeah.
Try to explore that. Don't be specific on one domain.
Okay.
Okay, try to explore in healthcare as well how it is used, so you will get
Right.
to know how the domain is all about, how the domain is kind to work,
Right.
right? You are
Yeah.
getting.
Yes.
One is you understand the counter function, you applied into the use case, you applied onto the one of the problem statement. Just tell the chat gpt like, hey, I want a data set, I wanted to apply this particular use case in this particular example. Are you getting
Okay.
what I am trying
Yes.
to say? You are learning
Yeah.
a topic. What you are doing here, you are learning a topic, understanding the concept, and you are applying that by doing some small projects.
Okay.
The same thing you try to demonstrate with the people, right? Demonstrate out of the people for recruiters. They will try to understand, hey, this is a guy where he is exploring particular concept and is applying the concept into some of the domains, right?
Okay.
Let's say you are going to the some healthcare domain, right?
Yeah.
Something or the other, right? So
Okay.
you will try to understand how it is relatable, how the things is working. Now onwards, what is happening, Rakesh, like yesterday also, and I also observed the same thing, that most of the work will be taken up by agents, agentic. Okay.
AI agents.
Yes. So what you need to do is one thing, you need to expert at
Okay.
domain, what you are doing. That automation might be there, but uh, right now there is no that much great output altogether. But
Okay.
the things is you need to great at the work. So you need to judge where is things is going wrong, where is things is correct. You can figure out
Okay.
those sort stuffs.
Okay. Sure.
That was thoughtful approach. Like, let me share another aspect to that. That might be helpful for you.
Okay.
Now let's move on to your presentation. Before you start remember,
Yeah.
great presentation is not just about the information. It's about how you connect with your audience,
Okay.
right? Are
Yeah.
you ready to share the presentation? Are you well prepared enough for that?
Actually, no.
No. What you have prepared then?
I prepared on like a food. It's a topic on wow. You are. It's a title about like you are what you eat.
What you read?
What you eat. You are what you eat.
Okay. Can you just present that?
Yes, sure. Like I want to expel a casual way today. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can able to see your screen. Yeah, you can present your screen and just let's get it started with that.
Like this is about you are what you eat.
No,
Every
I will just walk you through around.
okay,
First, it
sure.
should be a section of introducing yourself, right?
Yeah, yeah. Hi, my name is Raakesh. Today we are discussing about food what you are eating. I title it as a you are what you eat. Let's dive into this. Every food choice directly impact your health and well-being. Learn how your daily diet shape both your physical and mental performance. What are we going to see is why is diet is so important. Number one, health impact and mental well-being and longevity. In health impact, the chronic diseases and support immune system we have like after getting old we have this impact on our age and the healthy gut microbes mostly don't know about this one what is going in our body that is called gut and improve the mood of cognitive functions and longevity. What is nutrition rich foods promoted longer for healthier lifestyle. You know what does you are what you eat means like what areas we want to focus on. We want to focus on particularly what kind of foods and what kind of things we want to focus on. We want to focus on protein, carbohydrates, fat, and vitamins and minerals. Protein is a muscle repair immune function, which we want to have in the foods. And carbohydrates is the energy source, and fat have the hormones of brain health, and vitamins and minerals are vital of the organ functions. How does your diet affects you? In what areas it affects? Let's see. In physical health, number one, number two, mental health and energy performance. In physical health, we have pure nutrition leads to obesity and diabetes, nutrition rich foods that reduce the inflammations. Um, Mental health is like processed food impacts mood negativity, like supports the brain health. Omega example omega 3 supports the brain health. Energy and performance is based on the balanced diet maintained. Sanity and energy. Like poor eating causes lack of focus. Current challenge in what we are facing. Number one, rising chronic diseases. Number two, junk foods. Three, lack of awareness for busy lifestyle. And five, confused over diet and trends. These are the challenges we are facing. How we can apply it on our lives. we want to focus on these key areas like meal planning and prep, mindful eating, create a healthy environment, exercise complementation, right? And what are the key takeaways of this presentation? We see that diet fundamentals, number one, focus on balance, long term sustainability, not a fix. Like we want to focus on progress, not perfection here. Small steps, gradually adjust for long lasting. Knowledge is power. Understanding the food that you are eating. The what is the conclusion we're having here? You are what you eat. Shape the health, performance, and life quality, and take charge of the diet today for healthier and more vibrant life. Yeah, thanks for having here, and thanks for presenting myself here. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Now let's move on to your like this presentation was really little bit great, but little bit has to be improved. Like you have to feel the same thing. I'm repeating the same thing, right?
Yeah,
Feel should be there. Okay.
yes,
And the other thing is you need to before conclusion, after the conclusion, you need to ask couple of question, Q&A kind of stuff, right? Like what
okay.
kind of a doubts the audience has, what kind of questions you guys will be having. So everything you need to ask that one. Okay.
Okay.
So I really appreciate that you are doing the presentation part. Can you just mention some specific positive aspect that you liked about it?
In that, what I observed is the food we are taking is a improvement. Like if you are taking like some weeks also, it's showing the good results. They have some experiments gone on this. By this is an experiment on a twins actually. I'm not mentioning this presentation. This experiment gone on twins. They have same body, same DNA. So they experimented on this. How we what they experimented like meat
Like
diet and plant based diet. That's the
you are telling the same thing, right? You are trying to say that is whatever you take, that is the body you will be having. Is it like that?
sure, yes,
Yes, yes. So something like we can relate it to the ML. Like what if the data if we are giving, that is what the machine will try to learn, right?
yeah,
Yes.
exactly,
So this is what you are trying to say.
yes.
I particularly seem that you are now becoming confident. Can you talk when talking about specific? Can you talk about specific point like confidence part, like how that you improved on daily by daily basis?
Yeah, I like practicing on this. What I observed is when I'm good with the topic, when I'm like documented this topic, when I learn what is this topic about and what is the emotion behind it, like so after understanding all these things, I have this confidence. Like, okay, I will tell this topic if I not have knowledge in that also, purely knowledge, total knowledge on that also. I having that kind of confidence when I'm presenting. I'm not focusing on the like, yeah, I'm making mistakes here, but I'm not disturbing my flow, but I'm improving day by day.
Okay, okay, okay. So right now, let's build that confidence right now. So, you are whatever you are putting right now, it is like feel more natural to you, right? Right now.
Yeah, it's not totally, but it's getting that point.
Yeah, you will reach there. So, let's build on that confidence.
Yeah,
There is a technique that uh, could make you strong, basically. So let's try something different. Like we will be going to play two role play scenarios in the recruitment. What happens basically? Same thing we'll be going to do it. So
sure.
first, I will be a recruiter. You will be the candidate. Then we will be going to switch the roles. All right.
Yeah,
So this will what I will be gonna do it is I will be putting on the speaker mode. Why? Because the people should listen to this conversation basically, right? When they watch
sure.
this particular video, so
Okay.
they should watch this particular conversation. So it should be a like we are doing that as a live, right? So we will do that.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Is that problem to you? Is that fine?
No, if I make mistakes also, I will improve on next one.
Okay.
There is
So
no problems.
so this will help you to
Yeah,
understand both perspective and first ready to start with that. So
yeah,
let me dial a call to you, and so let's get started with it. All right.
yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Ready.
You just keep on the mute mode. All right. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Rakesh.
Hi, Akash.
Uh, can you just introduce yourself to get us a better perspective what you do currently and better idea?
Yeah. Hi, my name is Raakesh. I'm
Just give me a
graduated from.
second. Just give me a
Yeah,
second.
Akash. Yeah, sure,
Just
Akash.
just mute in the yeah.
I want to mute in the Zoom.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can start.
yeah. Hi, my name is Raakesh. I graduated from Matrasi College on computer science of engineering. I done projects on Excel. Right now, I'm focusing on building projects on dashboards. Yeah, Akash.
Yeah. So I looked through your profile. I'm particularly interested in hearing about what's your recent project experience. Could you tell me about challenging project you have been worked on?
I taken actually a very large amount of data on financial insurance planning. In that data, like I've I faced problems on they having very or they having like more duplicate data on that. It's taken while to cleaning that process.
Okay. Okay. So you handled about like how what would you have done differently so that it will be not do it again, so you
Yeah,
cannot repeat the same thing again, right?
yeah. In Excel, what I solved the problem is I highlighted that the cells of the Excel sheet with colors. So when I someone is looking at to that one, so they can understanding where the problem is there, so they can avoid that problem and look into another things.
Okay,
I
so
highlighted the with some colors, so the customer or client understand the problem, so don't want to look it, and I created such a way that I cleared the sheet and I cleared the whole Excel sheet and remove the duplicates and the breaks they're having,
and I provided what the problem also there on the scene. I showed the plot, uh, show the both cases, so the client understand the what the problem they are facing.
Okay. So this is what all about you face the challenges, and this is what you wanted to say.
Yeah.
Can you just give me some insights that on particular domain that you worked upon and how you have solved that particular problem? Can you just give me some scenarios? Like just give me some.
Don't want to have I don't want to have different cases. I want the particular task is in particular case. So, study is that in particular case, if example like there is a Raakesh, what is done, what this is on the insurance group. How many policies is done? The Raakesh is a person. How many policies is done over the period of the year? In which month he has done? I arranged in that one particular place.
Okay. 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 So tell me about collaboration with the team members during this project, during this college times. Just can you just tell me, walk me through about collaboration part little bit,
Yeah.
how you have done, how you have associated with your team members during that project.
Yeah. Like we built on project on like a veterinary system. So where that this project is mainly about booking appointment on this pets, like daughter appointment over them. This is the concept of the this website. So I worked on that back end. Like I worked on Python work, and my team is worked on the front end part. There are like using language of HTML, CSS, and we some of text from GitHub also to get a great understanding like that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's great to know. So after reviewing, I will get back to you. Okay. So
Yeah, Akash.
so I got to know what you things are doing. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let's get started. Yeah. I will call you back. I will call you back.
Yeah, Akash, thank you. Okay, again, I want to know like what is this job role is about?
So the job role is all about data analyst basically,
Okay.
where the majorly work is all together about Excel.
Okay.
So we are looking for such candidates. I will get back to you once I will have a discussion with CEO, then I will get back. Okay?
Sure, sure.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, thanks. Yeah. You got to know, right? What kind of a questions, but the questions will be not the same, right?
Yeah.
Did you
According to
understand?
the situation only, the questions will get.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
You understood a lot of things here, right?
yeah, yeah. Like
So,
I want to, what I understand is that I want to create such situation so the recruiter can ask so that recruiter can give like good questions at that time.
so you need to uh, create an like relationship with them, right? You are a
Yeah, yeah,
human being, not a like a robot or something.
yes,
Hi, who are you? How are you?
yeah, yeah,
This is what the thing is all about, right? So great
yeah,
job about great job now, right? Now what we will be going to do is I will be in the mute mode, right? You will
Okay.
be at your no, I will be going to enable this particular thing. Okay,
Okay.
you put in the mute mode only. Now you just call me back. So you will be a recruiter. I will be a candidate now. Okay, that's fine. School. Are you listening?
Okay.
Yeah, you got the point, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. You can just put in the mute mode.
Oh,
Hello.
Hello. Hi,
Hi.
Akash.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Rakesh. How are you? Basically, now
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Rakesh.
Okay, this call about the job you applied,
Okay. Okay.
and I want to know about you. So introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Akash, and I have done my master's in data science basically. So I have worked upon various projects during my internship part. So into the domain of healthcare, in the domain of tech, in the domain of logistics, each and every part I have worked upon. So that's it about me. Can you just walk me through about the job description so to get the better perspective?
And before that, I want to know what are the challenges you face in while doing the project.
Uh, Challenge basically is about the getting the data and cleaning up basically. So, what my approach was all about data science lifecycle. We call in data science. So there is a data gathering stuff, understanding data gathering into the problem statement, putting into the problem statement. Then it comes all together data cleaning stuff. Then exploring the data, then comes in putting that particular right data, right kind of a questions to ask, and right kind of the visualization graph for that particular business. Then putting all together into the model, understanding perspective about which particular business use case fits for that particular algorithms basically. Then we'll try to build a model out of it. Then it comes all together deploying the stuffs, CI/CD and MLOps part all together. So this is all about the things is all about. This is what my approach was all about, and that is what the data science is helping it out. Yeah.
Yeah, I got to know you have good experience in this side. Like we are looking for this kind of candidate. You are Australia, what is it, this job about? Like we are looking for the uh, provision in Python, Excel, and the SQL. Are you done this kind of project on this languages?
Yeah, like it is totally end-to-end projects which have been built. It's not altogether only specific to Excel, only specific to SQL, only specific to one technologies. So on the project, yeah, as you know that there are various technologies comes all together, right? The team works together, lot of technologies all together, basically. So it's not specifically to one tech stack, but as a problem statement is defined. So based on that, the things will be coming to the play. Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. I understand clearly. We get back to you. Before that, you have any doubts on this?
I have a doubt like what the company currently do and what they are particular into and why they are looking into it, this particular profile, and what are the roles and responsibility that you are looking at the some of the profiles basically.
company is taking the intern candidates right now.
Okay.
So we work on some give trainings on that. So we are from finance domain.
Okay. Okay.
So we work on the finance part. We looking to someone is related know about the finance of a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. We will look into your profile and we will get back to you soon.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. Then. So we'll get back. Okay. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you, Raakesh. Yeah. You got the point, right? Like how the things is all about. You are repeating the same thing which I am repeating as a recruiter, right? So something has to change there, right? The way of you are conversing.
Yeah.
Are you able to hear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes. So this is what the thing is all about. So
Yeah.
you need to experimenting with that, right?
Yeah.
So let's get started with storytelling.
Okay.
Okay. So let me share a powerful story, right?
Okay.
Change how many millions of people think about the money.
Okay.
It's about a young boy named Robert who had two dads. Specifically,
Okay.
two dads, basically, it's not a literal sense, but two fathers, figure outs who taught him very different lessons, basically, about the life and money. All right.
Yeah.
So, his real father, let call him as a poor dad, was highly educated,
Mm-hmm.
right, and had
Yeah.
a stable job and followed the traditional path we all taught: study hard, get the good grades, and find a secure job. Right.
Yeah.
So he believed in that safety of regular paycheck to paycheck to understand this particular thing. Despite being well educated, having a good job, he often struggled with the money,
Mm-hmm.
right? And would say things we can't afford. And would say things like we can't afford that, or money does not grow on trees. Something like
Mm-hmm.
you have been observing these particular words, right? Indian parents
Yeah.
also says the same thing. So, but Robert, not robot, Robert had another father figure out his best friend dad, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Okay.
which who we will be calling as a rich dad, right?
Okay.
So now rich dad did not finishing his high school, but he understood something crucial about the
Okay.
money. The most people never learned, right? Never learn also. Instead of saying we can't afford, rich dad would ask an interesting question: how can we afford that?
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting the differences here?
Yeah. 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 Getting.
Here where it gets fascinating. Imagine you are playing a right? Board game, let's say Monopoly. In a Monopoly, what's a winning strategy? Is it to save your salary when you pass a go? No, it's about buying assets. He tells about buying assets, properties that generates money every time someone lands on them, right?
Right.
So Rich Dad taught Robert that real life works the same way.
Okay.
Okay. So he explained it with a simple drawing. I will show you that in this column, like let's say in in this session, what I am trying to say is like we have most people do. They work for money, right? They work, paycheck, bills, work again. Same thing repeats the same thing. But in this particular thing, what happens? What the wealthy people do, basically, they work, they buy assets, The assets pays the bill.
Okay.
Are you understanding? They
Yeah.
work not for money, they work for buying assets.
Okay.
What do I mean by assets? Let's say you invest in something that money help you to make more money,
Yeah.
right? You
Yeah.
invest in some such things that makes money out of it, right?
Yes.
So think about your life for a moment. Which column are the best of the activities in?
Okay.
Are you working for a money, or is your money is working for you?
Okay.
All right. So
Yeah.
Rich Dad taught the Robert something revolutionary through a simple experiment. When Robert
Oh,
was 9, he wanted to get rich instead of giving him money.
okay.
So Rich Dad offered him a job paying 10 cents. 10 cents, 0.10, we will tell, right? So that much an hour he was giving for minimum wage. He told why? Because he wanted Robert to learn a lesson, right? So after a
Yeah.
few weeks of boring work for a little pay, what Rich
Mm.
Dad was waiting for, he explained. This is how most people feel their entire lives, trapped in jobs they don't love their jobs. They're afraid of not having money, right? So a
Yeah.
real lesson wasn't about working harder. It was about working smarter. And Rich Dad explained that poor people work for money and rich people have a money work for them, right? So see,
Right.
the words is difference here, right?
Yeah.
So think about that a second. It's like a different bucket, right? Like bucket versus building a pipeline.
Yeah.
You can relate to this kind of a thing. You can relate this particular story. Like there was a guy who was thinking about taking the same task, doing the every time. So there is one guy who came up with the understanding. What is if we have a pipeline altogether connecting that to our village? I can earn money in the subscription basis. I can give it to the my village people. I can earn passively.
Yeah.
What he did, give me 10 rupees, you take your water, right?
Okay.
Think like this stories you can relate it, right? With this aspect, you might be thinking that that's great. How does this apply to me today? Well, let me
Yeah.
ask you, when you get your paycheck, right? What is the
Yeah.
first thing you do with it, right? What most people do, most people pay everyone else. First landlord, grocery stores, then credit card company. But rich dad taught in a different approach. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. This does not mean buying expensive things. It means investing in assets. Like you invest in some stocks, you invest in some in mutual funds, you invest in some like let's say Zomato is the good company. You can invest in such assets, right? You can invest in gold assets where you can make more money out of it, right? So things that put money into your pocket, right? Even when you are not working, you are getting
Yeah.
what I'm trying to
Yeah.
say. So this could be as simple as a starting with a small investment in stocks that pay dividends for you, learning valuable skills, right? That can generate a side income or even starting a small online business. The beauty
Yeah.
is of the story is not just about making money, okay? It's about a changing how we think about the money. Rich Dad, most powerful lesson was this: being a rich is not about how much money you make. It's all about how much money your money makes for you, right?
Yeah.
All right. So next time you're thinking about buying something, ask yourself as a rich dad question. Is it putting money in my pocket or taking money out of it?
Yeah. Got it.
The simple questions can change your entire financial future. Is This is all about it. Okay. So, what do you think about this storytelling? What did you felt? Did you felt amazed like what this guy is talking about? You sticked into this particular video, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's like I have more connectivity while you're telling the story. I understand uh, the both that's having understanding in how
When
they're
it
thinking.
comes, Rakesh, I wanted to ask you a couple of questions. When it comes to you,
Yeah.
when you uh like when you practice it, right? When you read aloud, read aloud, this kind of a conversation which I am saying it loud, right? When you practice it only that it comes to your way, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, nowhere else. Nothing will comes out to the things altogether, right?
Yeah.
This thing you need to understand. You take a book, try to converse with the people, communicate with the people who speak in English, right?
Yeah.
Or you can get started with your home itself. Start with an English, right?
Yeah.
So these are the things. Okay. So
Okay.
and another, I understood another thing. I in my particular context, I came to know there is a opportunity. Okay, there is a job
Okay.
opportunity where
Okay.
uh, it is a not a data analyst job basically. Okay,
Okay.
it's a it's a support role. Okay, technical support role.
Okay.
Okay, so there you will be solving the escalation of the customers. What are the
Okay.
issues are there? That part you will be going to learn. It is a Zoho company
Okay.
in the Hyderabad.
Okay.
So they are looking for a technical support guy.
Okay.
Okay, who has completed the graduation, bachelor's of engineering. That's it. They want this thing.
Okay.
Would
Okay.
you be interested on that?
So it's technical, so I can like improve on my communication skills.
I didn't understand. Can you just repeat?
Like, what is the role is about? Like,
Like you have to talk with the customers. First thing,
okay.
you will uh first thing you will learn a lot about communication first of all. Not
Yeah.
about earning money, yeah. I'm not talking
Okay.
about earning money first of all. You need to
Yeah.
learn. As a rich dad says,
Yeah. Yeah.
you need to learn something, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Even if
Yeah.
giving you like whatever it is, whatever amount they are paying for you.
I'm like I understand that I can get the standards of that.
Yeah, so it's not that you go on the play, right? The
Yeah.
people will say that I will train you, then this will happen. No. When you come on the play, right, come on the role, then only you will understand the problems altogether, what kind of a situation altogether, right?
Yeah.
All right. So this was
Yes.
all about today, right? We stretched it up a lot, like 2 hours, right?
Yes.
Yes. So it was long to make you understand what the things is all about. Okay.
Okay.
I hope this makes sense. I'm not making any, not which is not making any sense for you, and the things
No. No.
is altogether is fine, right?
No. 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 Actually, I'm like I get a lot of info in this one. Like apart from this call, I want to talk more. Yeah, I will contact in normal call. Like I want to things I want to talk in that.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Like this for today, we having the great session today. Like
What?
we have mentioned. Yeah, Akash. Yeah,
What?
we are like I'm audible, Akash.
Yeah. Yeah. You are audible.
Yeah, we have discussed a lot on what areas I want to focus on, what areas I want to look into, what areas I want to work up on. Like I taken some insights from this. I will work on that. I will keep improving in this.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep improving on it. I told you, right? This one particular thing. First, in
Yeah.
this particularly, you need to track before Monday to Friday what you did, Monday to
Okay.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Then later on, you need to uh, understand your energy levels. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So that it will help you a lot. Okay. That's it
Uh-huh.
for the today. Uh, that's what for the today. Have a great day and do the great work
Yeah,
and
Akash.
yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah. Okay, Akash.
I
Bye.
feel
See you
like
soon.
you felt like some energy is getting like getting lost something, right? For you,
No, 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 no. Actually, no.
like little bit.
Actually, it's as we have long session, no. So it's I've been like getting we sit a long time, no. That's it. Yeah, actually, first one and a half hour of session we have very great talk. We have like you given like good insights. This I'm being calm. I'm while listening the story. I'm being calm. I'm like I have like that look on my face. It's automatically how comes to when I'm someone telling some interesting points.
Question
I
for
will-
you,
uh,
Rakesh. I have a question
yeah,
for
yeah.
you. Like whenever you wake up, like what will be thought in your mind? Like let's say, uh, are you able to do same consistency on Sunday as well?
No.
No, right?
Yeah.
So one tip I wanted to give it to you. Whenever you are waking up, maintain that consistency.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not saying particular time, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Let's say 7 o'clock you are waking up. That should be a consistent daily,
Okay.
right? Like whatever in the army, what they will tell, whatever you slept, sleep, but this is the time you need to wake up,
Okay.
right? So
Sure.
this is what I wanted to say.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. What I'm trying to say is